Connecting Gemini to Google Calendar allows you to check your schedule, create events, and make changes using natural language. This tutorial outlines the steps to set up and use the integration. What the process does, Gemini can access your Google Calendar through the Google Workspace extension. Once connected, you can view upcoming events, create new meetings, and update your schedule without opening the Calendar app. Steps to connect Gemini to Google Calendar. First, go to gemini.google.com, click Settings in the bottom left, then select Personal Intelligence. Then below is Connected Apps. Find Google Workspace and turn it on. This connection also gives Gemini access to Gmail, Drive, and other workspace apps. Using Gemini with Google Calendar, open a new chat and type at Google Calendar to tell Gemini which app to use. Then ask your question. For example, you can ask what events you have coming up this week, or you can create an event by typing something like "add a meeting called Weekly Review this Friday at 10 a.m." Gemini will pull the information from your calendar and display it with a source link to verify or open the event directly. For created events, an undo button appears briefly. Limitation: this feature works only if your Gemini app's activity is turned on. Google Workspace must be enabled in connected apps. This integration is best suited for users who want to manage their schedule using natural language commands without navigating the Calendar app directly. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more guides.